You look like Owlman
Hi, boys and girls.
or the Fly or some shit. Anyway.
So, we're hooked up. We're fucked up.
No, we're not.
And we're screwed up.
Wait a minute. What?
Well, it works for me. I mean, shit, it's what I always say.
No,
So,
it's all good. Speaker's all wired.
We go in.
Beautiful.
Plug. We've got more than enough room.
Yeah. So now you just got to do power and light.
It'll be pretty.
Little power, little light, yeah. Slam that baby in. That's an airplane.
There's times I'm like,
did you forget?
Something's gonna fucking blow up or we're gonna die.
Did you forget that we're basically always,
once in a while I do. Yeah.
always 10 feet from an airport?
Yeah.
So.
Well, it kind of happens. You know, you gotta have a good escape route.
Wait a minute. We just gotta make sure. Yeah. Anyway. So yeah, you're on that. You're gonna wire that. I'm crawling underneath here because I got the master cylinder in and mounted. So now I'm gonna hook up everything here on the pedal end, and I'm gonna bench bleed it in the car. I always do them in the car as opposed to doing them on a bench because I don't like having a master cylinder full of fluid and bringing it over a car and spilling.
No, I agree.
And you know what? It's a lot easier to just do it in the damn car.
For some, yes, I can.
For some cars. Yeah, most cars. But, you know, a lot of people are like, you can't do that. No, I've never had a problem in however many years. So guess what?
But with the expense of this one, no.
Yeah, I'm doing it in the car.
Yeah.
So
that's going to be our best bet.
That's what we're doing. So I'm going to hook everything up. I'll get video of everything hooked up underneath. And then you'll see me having leg day. Leg day? Hey, what do we got?
Okay, speaker's ready to go. I couldn't figure out why wouldn't go in, so...
Just a bit outside.
Just a little bit. So, no big deal, no big deal.
Just got to waller out some holes quick and you're done.
You know, it's easy enough because this is just pops right out. It's so nice. But you can see how bad they boogered everything up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hold on. Let me get zoomed in. Oh, come on, phone. What the Today it's not behaving. Hey, look, there it is. Yeah.
Compared to one that's not as bad.
I'm getting all of them. 1 second. Hold still. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Anywho.
So, not a major big deal. It's easy enough to pop this out and I can pop it in. So
easy peasy.
Get this in.
And you got to run a ground and a constant hot.
Yep. So
but the factory connector you can go to for
we'll do
keyed and light.
Constant memory, so it's got to be positive all the time. Hot all the time, sorry. Here's our positive for key. Here's our light to power this up front and light it up like it used to. And then our speakers and ground, which is not a big deal.
No big deal. Yeah. So easy peasy.
Because here's where the ground goes.
Look at that. Yeah, you can ground that to the body and ground to that and be done.
We're gonna have music soon. Music, baby, music.
All right.
Some music.
All right. I gotta just put the pin in under the dash over there, and
we're gonna get her done.
Yes, sir.